The thinker, creator Auguste Rodin, when he conceived this statute 1880, the thinker was entitled The Poet. The pose is one of deep thought and contemplation. The image represents philosophy. The thinker is contemplating health, humanity, even life. The wisest of all, King Solomon said, "For as he thinketh in his heart, so is he." Therefore, you cannot separate thinketh and heart. Lagi itong magkasama. I do believe everything was created twice. Ang pagbablog ko ito ay nakita ko muna sa aking isipan. Kaya ang ginagawa ko ngayon ay replay. Naniniwala ko everything was created twice at kung ano ang iniisip mo, magiging ganun ka. Kaya kung ano ang laman ng iyong isipan, yun ang iyong paligid kinabukasan. Ito ang aking analysis.